Happy New Year, guys! Ever wondered why your toddler's braid out just doesn't come out right despite your efforts? If you want to achieve the best chunky, fluffy braid out, then this video is for you. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing how I achieve a fluffy, chunky braid out on my toddler's natural hair. This braid out gets her compliments every single time. I started with some of her braids off camera. I'll do the front section so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I applied her leave-in conditioner first. I always start her braid outs on clean and moisturized hair. Your toddler's braid outs will hold better definition and moisture when it's done on damp, clean hair and also hair that's been thoroughly moisturized. I'm now going to apply her cream, which is the Kimi Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. Now this gel gives her braid outs a very light hold and it makes her braid outs look just very fluffy and nice. This is the look I'm going for. I'm not really going for a very defined braid out. Don't forget those ends. You want to make sure that the ends are also thoroughly moisturized. As you know, the ends are the oldest part of the hair and also the driest. I'm now going to apply the final layer, which is my shea butter mix. This is really going to seal in all of that moisture that we put in her hair in the beginning. Guys, I'm not going to braid to the ends of her hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to twirl it round. This helps with when I take her hair out. It makes it easier to take the braids out and also gives more definition towards the ends of her hair. Okay guys, so all these sections are completed and I'm left with 8 chunky braids. Okay guys, so this is 2 days later. I left her braids in to air dry for 2 days. You want to make sure that the braids are completely dry before you try to unravel them. This will avoid frizz and also make sure that the braids have enough definition. So now we're going to unravel her braids. This part is also very important. You want to take your time to unravel the braids slowly. This will also limit the amount of frizz that you're going to get and also to avoid any kind of tangling and breakage while you're unraveling the braids. Look at that definition, guys. So now we're going to separate. So this part is also important if you want to keep the definition and also create that fluffy look. You want to make sure that you're separating slowly and separating where the hair naturally kind of wants to separate. So if you look closely at what I'm doing, I am separating only where the hair naturally wants to separate. This will cause less frizz and also keep some definition as well. So I finished separating her hair. I'm now going to fluff her roots. This is going to create that volume and make her hair look even more fluffier, and it's also going to cover the parts of the lines that you can see. Fluffing the roots will cover that. Now you can use a pick, but I've decided to use my fingers. It causes less breakage, and I also have more control while fluffing using my fingers. Please note you only want to fluff the roots and not fluff the ends of the hair. We still want to keep some definition, so we just want to focus on fluffing the roots. Okay guys, so now you know how to achieve a chunky, fluffy braid out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and also share it with anyone you feel may benefit from it.